Christine here of Side Street Design LLC. I thought I would hop on real quick for a little note card tutorial. I have some Happy Mail I'm sending out and I can't just send the stuff in the envelope. I always want to make a card and then I stress myself out because I'm trying to make these like 4x6 large cards. So I went on Amazon and I found some mini cards. So these guys are about 3.5, and this says by 5, but that doesn't seem right. They're 3.5 by 5, just a little simple note card. And I figured with it being fall and this swap didn't have a particular like Christmas or anything, I thought it'd be cute to just make a little note card with some fall leaves. So all I'm gonna do is I got out some of my distress oxides and I got out some glitter. And I'm just going to go ahead and make a couple of blank note cards that I can have ready to send in Happy Mail. So here we go. And I'm wondering if I should do the background in a color before I start laying all of these guys down, or if I should just leave the white. I'll try one with the white and we'll see how it goes. So first I want some candied apple. So I'm just going to throw a little bit of candied apple in here. And this is supposed to be a heavy stock paper, so we'll see how that goes. And I'm not filling everything in with the red because I want to use multiple colors. So just to make things easier, I'm going to do that. Then how about I come in with some nice wild honey. And let's see, one more color. So we have wild honey and candied apple, maybe a little bit of peeled paint, maybe a little green thrown in there. And there you have it. See, it doesn't have to be extreme, just a cute little card that I can have go this way or this way. And all it took was just a few distress oxides. Now I'll do another one in a different color maybe. So we have that, and I had thought of, maybe I will do it on this one, but it might ruin it. I'm gonna put this back on here. I had thought of taking my Versamarker and maybe just dabbing and adding a little gold, but I actually think that's going to be too much. I like the simplistic nature of this. So I'm going to go ahead and make the others and join you at the end. you have it. In less than 8 minutes, 4 simple fall themed note cards. Now, if you want to take it a step further, you could go ahead and put like a band of scrap color on here and maybe write the word fall and add a leaf. You could add more embellishings on it, but for me, these are just for a simple Happy Mail, and I want to make sure they're not too heavy with too much embellishments because it's just one envelope. So that's why I'm going to go with less is more this time, which I'm twitching because I'm not adding the glitter, but I think that this is just enough. So I hope this gave you some ideas, guys. If you get these little cards, they're real easy. You could even just use your favorite stamp and watercolor it in. Make a bunch at a time. Great for swap mail, great for the fall, great for thank yous if you have something like an Etsy store. So if you liked the video, remember to give it a thumbs up. Go ahead, hit that subscribe button and that little bell icon. You'll be notified of all my latest uploads. Thanks for crafting with me, guys, and I'll be catching up with you soon.